On February 6, 2024, officers were called to a Target store after loss prevention flagged a notorious thief who had been caught stealing multiple times at the same location. What happened next will leave you shocked.
So, the comforter and the leggings.
Lego sets. Is that the first time you've ever stole?
Yes.
Ever?
Did I? Yes,
Okay.
Intentionally, yes.
Well, okay. So, this is about your 9th time. I got from Tallahassee, you were just there a couple days ago, to all the way to Ocala when you asked multiple different things from Legos to beddings, all kinds of stuff. So I've got about, how many instances do you think I have on?
I'm not sure.
Okay. It's well over $1,300 in the course of a month.
Okay.
So we're adding this up right now.
Can I pay that?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll pass that up.
It's funny how people think that's an option. If you have the money to pay for it, then why don't you just pay for it?
And this is the current one. I don't know if y'all want. This is what she took this time.
I guess we'll add that to the tally. So if we got the money to pay for this, why are you doing this?
I honestly, I didn't do it on purpose. Like, I thought, when you saw me do the scanner, but I scanned it.
You see the scammers right there? If you click on one of those little 12 screens, then it blows up the whole screen. And, you know, so yeah, it showed you up there about 5 minutes ago sitting here doing this whole looking around thing and then scanning one thing. And I mean, we watched the whole thing. Okay, these cameras here are really good. And also, you know, 9 different times in all these different cities. You know, if you got the money to pay for it, why don't you pay for it?
I don't have an answer. Like, that is acceptable.
Appreciate your honesty.
I mean, I could sit here and lie out here and have an answer. It's acceptable.
No, I appreciate that.
Is somebody else out in the vehicle?
Yeah. Have you got somebody else? Is hubby out there waiting on you?
No.
Which vehicle is yours?
That would be BMW out there.
Would one of you mind checking and you know, maybe he's in there, maybe he's not.
It's not.
No.
It's just me. It's an X5. Has a sticker on the back that says not a soccer mom.
Not a soccer mom. So when I go out to the
Thank goodness.
So you got to go to jail today. Whether your car stays here or gets towed or whatever, it's going to be totally up to these guys. But yeah, they got too many charges on it. Can't just give a court date and a hall pass on this one. I'm sorry. No, not sorry. I mean, 9 times. It's kind of, you know, about time. But
Can I just ask one question? You can answer me or not. We know how these things work, and we can tell when people are not being honest with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, when people are doing this, there's either somebody behind it having you do it, or you're working in conjunction with somebody. It's very rarely ever just the one lady who goes in looking like your normal soccer mom
Yes, ma'am.
and stealing all this stuff up and down the interstate. Do you not want to tell us who you're working with?
I'm not.
Where do you live?
In Ocala.
Why were you in Tallahassee?
I work and sometimes in Ocala, sometimes in Gainesville.
What about Tallahassee?
Oh, what was I? Oh, I'm sorry. I was there. It was my aunt's birthday. And we had driven up to Tallahassee from Ocala, me and my daughter.
Does your daughter go on these stealing sprees with you? Very interesting.
yeah, I mean, damn. Drive a Beamer, you know, dress nice jewelry, expensive phone, Apple Watch, and you know, but $166. I mean, it's kind of not making any sense. I like what she was saying. There's usually a reason for it. I mean, is there one?
No, sir. I never been in trouble in my life except just being a ticket.
No, that's not trouble. It's I guess
So why are you in Gainesville today?
I had to work.
What do you do?
I'm a district manager for a bank.
Jesus.
All right. Well, I'm afraid to ask which bank.
Wells Fargo.
So do you, and I'm not saying this to be smart, but like, do you feel like you're a kleptomaniac?
I mean, we get it all the time. It's a common thing. We're not judging you or anything.
Right. I mean, do I have mental illness problems? Yes, I do.
And then just
But do you buy your clothes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know how to buy what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need, right? I
Purchase
mean, it's not.
groceries, I pay my car payment. I pay my mortgage. I have.
Francis, I'm sorry. How late are you on today? I'll be all right. Any of her other cases from Gainesville, are you able to dig those up for me? It doesn't have to be right now, just later on, because I'm going to be working kind of late anyway, so.
Yeah, I've got the dates and it's all breaks down here.
Oh, there you go. Got them already, huh?
Yeah, so I'll just go on and I can just put them, if you want them just on one like Word doc, just have each individual statement brought out and then the video.
Same thing you always do, but if
Yep.
you want to, if you want to put them all on one thumb drive and make it easier, that's cool too. And
Yep.
I'll come back later and get it.
Yeah, we can put it all together.
How many Gainesville cases do you have on her?
Just Gainesville, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be the 5th. So 4 and 5 coming today.
Okay. Are they
Just
all,
in Gainesville?
Are they all the same thing? Just
Yep.
self checkout? Yeah, okay.
Does this fit scheme to defraud?
The dollar amounts, the thefts, will you have to do those individually and sort compliance, but all good.
I thought it was going to be that lady that was on the bolo the other day.
There's so many of them.
I know.
I'll be able to tell myself how to judge.
No, you're going to be there overnight,
Yeah, so
at least.
it's a felony charge, so it's gonna be an overnight stay. But in the morning you will.
Because I was a child at home.
I'm sorry.
I have a child at home.
You'll get to make phone calls. And all that, so.
How old is your child?
17.
So they can take care of
Car's there.
themselves.
Yeah.
The car's there.
The car, yeah.
Again, that's something you probably should think about before you're doing your one woman
Yeah, if you're thinking
feeding
about
spree.
an hour or so.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So how late are you here tonight? Because I gotta go to Tower Road.
I'll be here all night. I'll be here until it's 9.
I'll be here till like 7 or so.
Yeah.
I'll swing back by later.
Okay.
Get those from you.
Yeah, I'll be here. For this one today, just you want me to put all in one thumb drive?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
fine.
I can do that.
Yeah, I can just I get back to the station.
You're just a busy man
Separate
today, Barnesy.
Everywhere I go.
He sees me
Been all
texting him.
over the
It's like,
radio
no.
all day.
Now you always answer, and of course that guy at the recycling place always answer, but do you have anything in your purse or on you that's illegal when you drive, or if you got medication you prescribed, then that's fine. Okay.
So what I'm going to recommend is that you take off all your jewelry because they're not going to let you take it in the jail. I mean, it'll go in, but you're going to have to take it off when you get there anyways. I would put it all like in your purse, but do you want me to search her purse real quick?
Yeah, I'll throw that together and put it on the flash drive.
Okay, that sounds good. Actually, I'll search her purse if you want to do her.
Just set your jewelry right here for now, and then after he searches it, well, you can put it in there.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you married right now?
Yes, ma'am. That's another person that's going to be freaking out listening to
I
me.
bet.
Which pocket is your driver's license on? Oh, actually, no.
Yeah. And I have the old Alabama one that has a hole in it.
If you want to get your watch and everything.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hand this to you.
I guess these two.
Yeah, I would say probably. Do you have an envelope or a little bag maybe that we can just stick?
I thought it's. Do you have any bags?
We have some out in the car. If not, it's fine.
Let me see. I should have one out here.
Can you stand up for me?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have anything tucked on you underneath the bras or anything. So just so you know, and I'm not saying you do, but if I search you and there's something I don't find like tucked somewhere, that would be
This is-
introduction of contraband.
If you want to throw it there, this is what she actually paid for. So
Oh, okay.
right there.
Okay, so I'm just gonna search you. Can you put your hands up for me? Is that your ribs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And how I stay in it.
What's that? All right, I'm not gonna go digging and they'll x-ray you at the jail.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll say, yeah, go ahead, 15.
Alright, so hit the edit. And then go to the
It's been a long time since I've used somebody else's computer to type in notes. I don't know why I didn't think of that on the spot. A long
You
time.
know, I'm no detective or anything.
I'm a very tired one. A very tired one.
How much longer you got?
Would have been out here 2 years ago if everything had gone good, but I'll tell you later.
What, honey?
It's too far down.
So just
You can use my pink.
put that in the narrative we just want.
Should I just like print that one off then?
Yep.
You won't put it on too tight. You got some
What's the Lego shop called?
Slip out here.
Hard lines. Yeah.
Radio battery charged all weekend. And it's chirping after 8 hours. I just turned another one after having a dead cell in it and got a new one. Hey guys, just no hurry. Just shoot me a text when it's done, and I'll come back shortly afterward. Okay?
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Yeah. You want to go back?
It's this hard. Over here.
I'm sorry for the
It should be good. I'm quite sure you're gonna call your husband, maybe.
Yeah.
Where do you guys live at?
Okay.
You can come down and get it. It's not. We're not gonna tour or nothing. I'll cut the AC on and everything.
Thank you.
She was charged with petty theft and fraud, leaving many questions unanswered about her motives and actions. What do you think led to this situation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. And if you enjoyed this video or found it thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us.